that one. You try it, have it. Lift it up and see. No? I like the water one. Oh, it's a nice one. Yeah. Oh.
Daming talaba oh. Maliliit. Mabilis na tumaas yung tubig. Maliit yan. Yan. Oh.
Perfect. Oh, there. Oh, that's alright. This one is a shell. Well done. Well spotted. That's the one. This is what we need. This is what you want. Okay. So what else we are looking for? Dami talagang oyster, ma. Found another shell. Ang oyster everywhere. Pulot-pulot lang. Malinis pa. Ay, ang dami talaga dito, ma. Oh. Mama. Talaga sila oyster everywhere. If you look around, the oyster is just everywhere. Mag-arte ka lang maghanap pa ng malinis. Ayan pa!
Wow! Nice! Wow, it's big oyster! Tahong kung sa atin. Ayan o, dami o. Ayan o, sus, dami.
Mussels.
Splinty.
Called sea mussels.
Ayan o.
Can you help Lola to collect some? We are foraging.
Foraging.
This is foraging for seafoods. Dami. Nakatikim kami na dito. Ngayon, kukunin ko na harvest lang. Harvest. Laura, she's the one who's gonna take our foraging bag. Yan o, mussel. It's actually everywhere. You just have to look for the one na walang wala masyadong barnacle. Namupulot lang siya. O yan, 8 pounds per kilo yan. Tagsabinak to. What are you looking for, Laura? Mussels or shells? Are we looking for shells? Wow, she's foraging. What did you get, Laura? Sea snails? Yeah? Cool. Oh, this everywhere. Laura found a big patch, Lola. We're talking. Look at this. It's walking, huh? It's crawling. Nananahong tayo. Tahong for life. Tahong is life. Well done, Laura. Good foraging technique. She's foraging. What did you get so far? So far?
Baby. I got the baby.
Go get the babies. Maybe get the big ones. We're not a big fan of the big ones, so we're trying to look for small ones lang. Good size. Ilang lang yan, no? Lola is collecting more. Perfect size. Okay.
Yung mga tahong, ang dami. Grabe talaga, ang dami. Ayan o, nagkapungamuti o. Ayan o. Pinahiya ka to, pinahiya ka. Ay, papo kita o. Hindi ka na talaga si Laura o. Dami o. Ayan o.
oysters and mussels. You found what? Ano yan, mga tahong?
Tahong, ayan oh. Ang dami.
What did you get? Two? Where is it?
And this one.
Oh, let's put it in the box, Laura. Well done. Good spotting of the oyster. And then we found like look at this kind of shell as well. Did you find this kind of shell as well? But the one that is not open though. It's called seashell. Okay. Ah, meron kami. We're looking for oyster. Laura! We've got an oyster.
Wow, may oyster na naman ang baby kong lablab. Wow! Wow, Laura na kinuha. Oh, ang dami. Dito to ah. Gahuli sa natalangka. Gahuli sa natalangka. Lakas ng hangin eh. Dito pa, mababaw pa ta. Kuha ka lang ng dampot ng talaba, oh. Oh, namumuti. Oh. Doon kami kumuha kanina. Mataas na yung tubig doon, eh, no? Ayan. Lara, come here. Dito na ba?
Oh, it's going to your feet. Exactly.
Ayan, tapos na po kami manguha ng oyster. Ayan po yung mga nakuha namin, ano po, oh, tahong or abahong. Ayan. Ano? Press. Sa loya, ayan, tingnan natin, ayan na, nag-ano na yung ginisa ko, na ginisa sa loya, tapos sibuyas, saka garlic, tapos, ayan, nabuka na, wow, ayan na, bumuka na siya, okay na to, kainan na, talaba namin, saka ito,
Bago?